On March 18, 2023, UBS announced its plan to acquire Credit Suisse for up to $1 billion, with the help of a $6 billion guarantee from the Swiss government. This deal has been in the works for months, as Credit Suisse faced a crisis of confidence after the collapse of two U.S. lenders, Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. Credit Suisse had lent billions of dollars to these lenders, which were heavily exposed to risky loans and investments. UBS agreed to buy its rival, with the help of a $6 billion guarantee from the Swiss government, but not without facing some challenges and controversies along the way. Although there are some potential benefits, the merger of UBS and Credit Suisse is not a done deal yet. However, there are still many challenges and obstacles ahead, such as regulatory approvals, shareholder votes, and legal challenges. Many analysts and investors have criticized the logic and the timing of the deal, arguing that it could create more problems than it solves. For UBS, buying Credit Suisse could mean taking on a lot of risk and uncertainty, along with possible antitrust problems and integration difficulties. For example, Credit Suisse is facing criminal charges in Switzerland over its spying scandal, where it hired private detectives to spy on former executives and rivals. It is also being investigated by U.S. regulators for its involvement in the failures of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. The bank is accused of helping them hide their losses and misconduct. UBS could also face resistance from some of its own shareholders, as well as employees. They may doubt the benefits of buying a struggling rival. Being acquired by UBS could mean giving up its long-standing brand and reputation, as well as losing some of its loyal clientele and talented staff. Some Credit Suisse shareholders might also want more money for their shares than UBS is offering. The merger of UBS and Credit Suisse would also have a significant impact on the global financial system. It would create a huge new bank that could be too big to fail. The combined bank would be one of the largest and most complex financial institutions in the world. It would operate in over 50 countries and have interests in many different markets and industries. The merger could also trigger a wave of consolidation in the banking industry. Other banks might try to merge or buy smaller competitors to keep up with the new giant. The merger could also affect the competitive landscape and availability of credit in some regions and segments. This could be especially true in Switzerland and Europe. The merger of UBS and Credit Suisse is still subject to many uncertainties and challenges. There is no guarantee that it will happen. The deal could face opposition from regulators, politicians, customers, employees, and shareholders of both banks. The deal could also be affected by external factors, such as market conditions, legal developments, and geopolitical events. The merger could also face competition from other potential bidders. For example, foreign banks or private equity firms might make better offers. The merger could also fail due to internal disagreements or conflicts between the two banks. Merging UBS and Credit Suisse is a complicated and uncertain process that could affect both banks and the global financial system in many ways. Thank you for watching today's video. We have talked about the possible merger of UBS and Credit Suisse, one of the most important stories in the financial world right now. I hope this helps you improve your script. Please let me know if you have any questions or feedback.